So we were talking about how this league is historic, how it is not just a sporting event, but also a mixture of skill, entertainment, and talking about entertainment, we've got a Bollywood touch over there as well. The brand ambassador of this league, Ram Charan, on your screens right now. He's our pride, he's our superstar, and he's also the face of Archery Premier League. The man is here. And it is so encouraging for these athletes to see him, to feel his presence. And it is not just encouraging for the athletes, for the players, but also for the sport. We need more people to come forward and support us. We need more people to come forward and promote us. And Ram Charan is doing exactly the same. He's the man who is the face of Archery Premier League, our brand ambassador, and he is here to support the players, the athletes, on this opening day. And this cannot be bigger than this.
It's a real massive opportunity for archery, Subi, because bringing someone of such high status and such a high profile to a competition like this will draw his fans, and his fans will get perhaps their first
league, and he'll be looking forward to all the matches as well along with us. Kareem, now because you're an expert here, let me ask you a few difficult questions. Any particular player, or let's go team by team. Let's take one team at a time and talk about one player that you're looking forward to from that team.
Well, let's start with Matthias Fullerton from Denmark. He goes with the Chiro Archers. He's just moved up to world number one, literally up.
Spoken about, Matthias Fullerton over here, but there are so many other players that we are looking forward to. So many decorated players in each and every team. But talking about players and talking about how they are the ones who are going to light up this league, but let's also take a look at what is happening here. Ram Charan, Arjun Munda, all together. Mr. Anil is over there as well. These are the ones who actually made this dream a reality, and they've got the support of Ram Charan as well. And it is going to be so encouraging and motivating for all these athletes. They're now entering the field. They are now entering the field of play, and they will wave all the athletes. They will motivate them. They will show them their support.
It's quite incredible.
Let me introduce to you, first of all, the brand ambassador of Archery Premier League 2025, Mr. Ram Charan. Alongside him, we have some special guests as well. We've got the president of the Archery Association of India, Mr. Arjun Munda. We've also got Mr. Anil Kamineni, who's the chairperson of the Archery Premier League. We've got Mr. Virendra Sachdeva, who's Secretary General of the Archery Association of India. And we've also got Dr. Joris, who's also Secretary of the Archery Association of India. Now, if I can request Arjun Munda ji to please declare. Can you please declare the Archery Premier League open?
I declare the Archery Premier League is open.
And a word of encouragement from Mr. Ram Charan as well for all the teams participating, please.
Namaste, everyone. Wishing you all, firstly, a happy Dasara. I thank Arjun Munda ji, who has come here, and Virendra Sachdev ji, and Anil Kamneni ji, for putting together such a beautiful league and having me part of this. Thank you so much, sir. I think we should look at the sport now. I thank everybody in such torrential weather. Everybody has showed up here. Thank you so much. Everybody who supported this, all the audience who have come here with families, thank you. Thank you so much for coming. It's a great sport. First of its kind, first time in India and in the world, we have a Premier League for archers. And we all have to support a sportsman, and especially every archer in India and in the world. We appreciate their focus, their discipline, and the strength the sport has. And our duty that we all have our support for them. And thank you so much for the league and the chairman for putting this together. And it's a responsibility for all of us who are sitting on this dais to take this forward with all your support. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Right, time now for the first toss of the Archery Premier League.